in cakes by Knutsford Express. Last year Christmas I sent some fruit cakes for a customer all the way in Negril, and it was the same thing. I always had them something, and so I'm not surprised by these. But I'm glad that she enjoyed her cheesecake, and this was her review.
Nice.
But overall, you guys enjoyed. I realized that you guys enjoyed the cheesecakes. So the cheesecakes are here. So if you don't have the cheesecakes, feel free to order. So it's a weekly thing. We have cheesecakes, carrot cake, cinnamon rolls, and cookies. So you can get your cakes every week, and the orders are done on Friday. So if you're living in Clarendon, Manchester, St. James, Ocho Rios, and you want to purchase or order your cheesecake, we got you. We got you. So you can make your order. If you also